Sanibonani, peace and Vusele. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Anyway, guys, let's get to sort of today. Last week, Umpumelelo reveals ukuthi yena Uli Bubezi on Musamseleko's 50th birthday, and everybody started blaming Musamseleko, saying, ukuthi you give this boy so much power. No wonder why he's busy saying such a thing, controlling you guys. Everyone Mzumbe, guys, no one has a peace. Even Mangwabe, she's thinking of moving out because of Umpumelelo, guys. So there's a lady, guys, who came out to expose Umpumelelo, saying ukuthi uma Umpumelelo, he's saying ukuthi yena Uli Bubezi has nothing to do lendaba yaseMzumbe, guys. Has to do with it. So there's a lady who sent a DM to Lady Londi, guys, on Facebook, and this is what she has to say. I think it's Mpumelo's ex-girlfriend, or maybe it's a one-night stand. I don't understand. But okay, guys, now I understand why Oterelo, she's still there begezeling kule relationship ya Mpumelo. I mean, where to go if Mpumelelo is not only representing Umzumbe, but is representing the whole country, guys. Mpumelelo is making sure that other sort of outside the country we are represented very well. So this is what the lady has to say. Mina wemke, I think uspindi mayethi yena Uli Bubezi the lion. I think besho empetweni. Zwane ngami ngiyazi into engikhuluma ngayo. Hidden lioness from Eswatini. Guys, so this lady, she's saying, hi guys, don't stress yourself ngalendaba yampumelelo athi Uli Bubezi, guys. Leli Bubezi umpumelelo asho lona nali mina ngiyalazi from my own experience. So guys, yeah, when umpumelelo is saying ukuthi Uli Bubezi, guys, has nothing to do controlling abomacele, abomayeni, abomangwabe, abomakhumale. Actually Uli Bubezi la Ali Bubezi khona, guys. No wonder why these ladies, guys, are obsessed with Umpumelelo. I've seen many ladies, they want to be known ukuthi they are dating Umpumelelo, guys. Or even Umpumelelo has never came out to say I'm dating you. They will make sure ukuthi they post pictures together with Umpumelelo. They say, hi man, I was with Umpumelelo. Maybe this is part of the way of marketing their reality show, guys, because Uthandana Tembo season 8 is currently airing on Mzansi Magic every Wednesday and every Thursday, guys. So you know, we know what we know, guys. For now, let's just leave this here, guys. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Do you think it was necessary for Mpumelelo to reveal his secret on his father's 50th birthday? But anyway, guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.